If you've ever tried chopping onions for dinner and ended up crying, rushing, and still getting uneven pieces everywhere, you already know the real problem isn't cooking. It's prep work. That slow, repetitive slicing stage is where most home meals lose their momentum, and honestly, it's why a lot of people just order takeout instead. Today, we're looking at the Zyliss Easy Pull Food Chopper 2.0, and this is one of those kitchen tools that promises to take the hassle out of prep without turning your counter into a full appliance station. It's designed for home cooks, busy parents, and anyone who wants faster meal prep without pulling out a bulky electric processor. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, it's surprisingly simple. No plugs, no buttons, no complicated setup. Just a compact, clear container with a pull handle that feels a bit like a manual blender system. The plastic body is lightweight but not flimsy, and the clear chamber is actually useful because you can see exactly how chopped your ingredients are without stopping mid-process. The stainless steel blades inside are where the real work happens, and they feel solid enough to handle regular kitchen use without bending or dulling too quickly. What stands out most in everyday use is how controlled it feels. Instead of randomly smashing vegetables, say some cheaper choppers do, this one gives you a sense of precision. You decide how fine or coarse everything gets just by how many pulls you do. Onions, peppers, garlic, cucumbers, and even soft fruits like tomatoes all break down evenly when used properly. The ergonomic handle also matters more than you'd expect. It doesn't dig into your hand, and the motion stays smooth instead of feeling jerky or tiring after a few uses. In real kitchen scenarios, this thing genuinely speeds things up. What normally takes 5 to 10 minutes of careful knife work gets reduced to under a minute of quick pulling. It's not just about speed, either. It's about consistency. Instead of uneven chunks that cook at different rates, you get a more uniform texture that actually improves how your food turns out. Cleaning is also refreshingly simple. Since there's no electric motor or complicated base, you just rinse the container, wipe the blades carefully, and you're done. That's a big deal for anyone who avoids kitchen gadgets because they're annoying to clean. Now, it's not perfect, and it's important to set expectations correctly. This is not a full replacement for a proper chef's knife or a high-end electric food processor. If you're prepping huge batches for meal prep or trying to puree ingredients into a paste, this won't be the right tool. It also requires a bit of manual effort. So if you have wrist issues or want completely hands-free chopping, an electric processor might still be better. But within its category, it actually performs better than a lot of similar pull-style choppers. Compared to cheaper generic models you'll find online, the Zyliss version feels more stable on the counter thanks to its non-slip base, and the blade quality is noticeably more consistent. Some budget choppers tend to crush food instead of slicing it cleanly, while this one maintains a cleaner cut that's closer to hand chopping, just faster. So who is this really for? It makes the most sense for everyday home cooks who want to speed up meal prep without overcomplicating their kitchen. It's especially useful for salads, quick stir-fries, salsa, and anything where you need chopped ingredients regularly but don't want to deal with the cleanup of a big machine every time. If you're someone who cooks occasionally or in small portions, this fits naturally into that routine. If you've been relying on slow knife prep or skipping fresh cooking because it feels like too much work, this kind of tool can quietly change that habit. It doesn't try to replace cooking skills. It just removes one of the most annoying steps. If you found this review helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest kitchen gear breakdowns that focus on real daily use instead of marketing hype. And if you want to check current pricing or availability, the link is waiting for you in the description.